everyone, Antoinette here, welcome. Today I'm in my upstairs hallway and I am going to decorate my hallway table just to my left here in a rose gold, and I'm going to do a vignette or a display, whatever you want to call it. And I'm excited to use my rose gold pieces. I am going to link in this video my 2 rose gold tablescape videos that I've done. And you can check those out if you haven't already and sort of see how they compare to my vignette. I'm so happy to be doing this with some lovely YouTube friends. This is a closed collaboration and I'll mention them a little bit later in this video, but I'm excited to show you how I've done my vignette. It's small, it's simple, but it's rose gold, so it's pretty. It's just sparkly, and rose gold is such a lovely color. I just love it. Every time I use it, it makes me happy. So I'm really happy to do this video and to show it to you. So let's get right to it. So here's my hallway table. This table was purchased many years ago at Bombay & Company when my home was decorated in an old world look. This framed picture was purchased at the same time, same store. And so I'm adding here this rose gold sparkly runner all along the table, which seems to fit the table very nicely. To that, I'm adding a different shade of rose gold on top. These, they look like palm leaves to me. I don't know for certain that they are, but very appropriate for the season. And then to these upside down glasses, I'm adding these 2-wick candles in this rose gold holder. Doing the same thing here with these smaller votive holders. And these are a rose gold mercury glass purchased at Dollar Tree. That's our look so far. And also purchased at Dollar Tree are these adorable little sparkly birds. When I saw these, I had to have them immediately. I purchased 2, one on each side of the table. And they come with clips, so they're little ornaments and you can clip them onto a tree or whatever you like. In the center here, I have this picture frame that was purchased at Dollarama in rose gold, and just a little very simple DIY I made that says "Spring has sprung." There's our butterfly. You can tell I just placed it on because it's still moving around. It's also an ornament, so it's got a clip there. And it's sort of a different shade of rose gold and has crystals in it as well. My squiggly picks here. Not until I did this display did I realize how much rose gold sparkle I actually own. Wow. So there's our look so far. I am going to show you in a moment how I moved in the candles a bit because I felt they were just a little too far away. So I moved them in here, and just so that it looks a little better, and I think it does. So I am going to add one more piece to the center. That's coming up in a moment. That little picture frame there, I think it looks really nice. I've added some sparkly rose gold tape right there where you'd normally have your picture. I show you here that there's a stripe there that's sort of in a copper or a rose gold, and that's why I thought this might look nice here, and it really does. So before the final reveal, let me show you a little bit of the channels of the ladies that I'm collaborating with. As I mentioned earlier, this video is part of a closed collaboration. I'm happy to be collaborating with 5 great YouTube creators, including Renters Love Luxury by N, Creating with Mz Kaye, inspired by Chanel. It's a cozy lifestyle with Marilyn and Shelley at Pretty Inspired Decor. I would love if you watch the entire playlist, which will be linked in my description box, and watch all of these wonderful ladies' rose gold creations. And now to the reveal.